Starting with the rounded cube with the cell shader and hatching, select the cube and then add a new grease pencil line art associated with an object, and this automatically adds a grease pencil object called line art with a modifier. Delete the synthetic bumps generated in the shader and then add a new modifier to the object, displacing the surface using a texture. Use a magic texture and change the strength to 0.2. You need to increase the subdivisions on the subsurface modifier as well in order to be able to see these. You'll see that the contours are being shown with an outline, but it's rather ugly. It's the same thickness as the outline around the outside, and it has square ends. So increase the thickness of the first one you've added and change its name to Line Art Silhouette, and untick everything apart from the top edge selection and choose Silhouette. Now add a new line art, grease pencil line art, associated with the same object, but this time add a second modifier to the grease pencil object, varying its thickness. Tick the uniform thickness option and then under influence expand it and tick the custom curve and then set a custom curve which is full width in the middle and narrower at either end, and then adjust the thickness so it looks just nice.